Maybe you've noticed driving around Sudbury, there's metal roofs popping up just about everywhere you look. The one behind me was done in our Oxford slate aluminum shingle. Really beautiful roof on this raised ranch. If you'd like to learn more, visit us on our website at classicmetalroofs.com or give us a call at the number above. We've got some great information for you, some great insights, so that you don't make the mistake of buying the wrong roof. You want to make sure you get a roof that's designed specifically for residential roofing. Give us a call. We'd love to talk with you. Set up a time for a free consultation with one of our professional metal roofing consultants. Thanks. My name's Mike Garnett. I'm the senior partner of Classic Metal Roofs. We're located right in Stowe. We'd love to hear from you.